Let's look at how to batch save multiple Photoshop files using Adobe Bridge and Photoshop. So this will save you a ton of time if you have several large Photoshop files like this, if you have a whole list. So I'm going to select all the files that I want to save as JPEGs, go to Tools, Photoshop, Image Processor, and I want to save these as JPEGs in the highest quality. And I do not want to resize them to fit. And I'm not going to be running any actions this time. You can choose if you want to save in the same location. In this case, since the files that I have are only a couple Photoshop files, it's going to create a JPEG folder where it's going to insert these images. Go ahead and click Run. And when it's done, you'll see the JPEG folder. With the images selected.